kay mga ka-pageant lovers all over the world and to the universe.
There was this recent shooting in high school in Leyte. What's your message to the young people who are watching us right now?
Really? When did this happen?
Today.
Oh my
Today,
goodness.
like 3 people are already dead.
Three kids
Two
dead.
kids are already dead.
Oh my
Grade
goodness.
9.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
And
so,
8 ang may sila.
That's,
Diba sa news report?
I
It's
know.
important na pala.
Yeah, but that's devastating. It's devastating to know that there are people who would do such evil things. But
They said it's also kids who did that. The first
Oh.
high school shooting in the Philippines.
oh my goodness. Nakakabasag ng puso yun. Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman galing sa inyo. Pero to the families of those who have been hurt and families of those who have been, children who have been killed, masakit ho sa pakiramdam na ganyan ho ang sinapit ho ng inyong pamilya. And let's continue to pray for one another, you know. Hindi rin natin alam bakit ginawa ito ng mga kabataang gumawa nito. Hindi natin alam kung anong klaseng pamilya ang pinanggalingan nila, anong klaseng hurts ang meron din itong mga batang ito. Pero knowing that a child can do that to another child, I cannot imagine the thought of someone doing that to
The videos
an
are all
innocent.
around now in the internet.
Oh my
The
goodness.
shootings in the classroom.
Oh my goodness. Yeah,
So your
siguro sa
message to the
mga
young people who are
siguro
watching right now?
especially to the parents, siguro hindi lang sa mga young people but to the parents who are listening to this. Kaya ho napaka-importante ng role ng magulang sa isang bata. The role of a father, the role of a mother in the life of a child is crucial dahil kung ano ho ang magiging kinabukasan ng mga anak ninyo sa inyo ho nakasalalay yon. So please guide your children, pray for your children, and to those families with fatherless or absentee parents, I hope that you will give time to rear your children in a way that will help our society grow na hindi ganito ang magiging kakahantungan natin. So, parents, please guide your children properly. Thank you po.
Mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ang aking YouTube channel account. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood.